Well, hello there. What are you doing? Do you not know what time it is? Christmas is almost upon us, and you still haven't wrapped your gifts. What a shame. Well, it's a good thing that you're here, because today I will show you how to do that, you lousy gift wrapper. Or maybe you clicked on this video because you know how to wrap gifts and you want to laugh at me and say, man, you suck at gift wrapping. Either way, you're here, and that just makes me happy. I just want to quickly put on my buffalo chuck. Yes, check. Check, like checkers, buffalo check, because that gets me in my Christmas mood. There we go. Nice. Do make sure to first grab your hot cocoa. Much better. Take a nice little sip and let's get wrapping. Now, the first step to wrapping a gift is actually having a gift, so I'm gonna make that magically appear on this ping pong table right now. Perfect. Looks like we have, half a box of unscented LED candles. Love that. It's gonna be perfect to wrap and put under the Christmas tree. Now, let's also make wrapping paper appear, because that's the second thing you need to wrap a gift. So let's make that appear. Look at that. It's so awesome. Love this magic trick. It's called editing. We have our gift and we have our wrapping paper. Now, we could do this the old-fashioned way and use no tape, but tape frankly makes everything easier, so why not have tape? And for this one, I'm just gonna pull it out of my back pocket. Wait, psych! There it is. Right there. Okay, this is perfect. We have everything we need. Oh, except for scissors. Why do I keep forgetting things? Oh, now there they are. Oh, this is incredible. So much work I'm putting on myself in the editing room. Who even cares? So now, we are going to roll this out. I got a nice pattern right here. Buffalo check, once again. And I'm just gonna conveniently place this in the wrapping paper. Now, I'm gonna bring you guys closer for these next few steps because these are important and I need you to see them in order to wrap your gift. So come on closer. Okay, not that close. Back up. Alrighty, so here we have our gift and our wrapping paper. We're gonna set this guy right here. Really simply, stick it where you think it fits. Don't put it all the way up here because you're not gonna need all of this extra paper to cover it. You're probably only gonna need maybe 5 or 6 squares. We're gonna do a quick test to make sure that this can come up to the middle. So this right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. We're gonna fold it up and look at that, perfectly on the middle. Now we're gonna count on this side that same number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and now here we have a perfect little marker to tell us. It needs to come up to half the box height. You know what, we'll just go full height. You want 2 squares? I'll do the same on this side, 2 squares, and make a little line. Now we've got our square, and I'm just gonna quickly cut that out. Oh, I found it. Never mind. All right, let's roll this up and put it away. We'll stick this in the middle, 2 squares on each side and 5 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stick that guy right there. All right, perfectly. Now it is right where we want it. We'll start by folding this edge up to the middle crease. Make sure you have your tape on hand. So we'll grab a little piece of tape right now. And we'll go right nicely like that. Perfect. Now that's taped down and push it, crease it. First grab your piece of tape and then line it up, pull it tight, and slap your tape on there. Perfect. Now you have made it a decent amount through. You're doing well. Now all you need to do is go onto this side where you see these sides. So this is the corner of the box, as well as here, so you can see this is our box. Now these are kind of tricky, but I believe that you can get it. And you're gonna push it, the corner all the way down. This is tricky. All right, you see this? Until it makes this kind of triangle piece. Then you're gonna crease that right there, all right? Crease the triangle, do that on both sides, all right guys? All right, perfect. Now that you've got those triangles and it's creased and all nice, then you're gonna fold this guy in like that. Wow, look at that. Make another triangle, another triangle. Watch, I'll just do it again. All right, boom, boom, boom. You're doing well. Another triangle, all right? You're gonna pull that guy up just like so. And you're gonna tape it. Perfect. All right, so you see this? You got this nice little edge right there. Nice present. We're gonna have to do this on the other side as well.
Make sure you got a little bit of tape ready. Gonna go nice and crease, crease. Let's do it a little faster now. Perfect. And then fold it in again, crease, fold it in again, and crease. And we got the same shape. And now we'll just fold it up, grab our tape, and put that on right there.
And now you have a wrapped gift. Look at that. So simple and easy. Anyone can do it. But the fun part is on us. We can unwrap it. The best part. I'm so excited. Ah yes, the fun of unwrapping the gift we worked oh so hard to wrap. Well, whatever. For these, you easily just pull the tab. Oh, and it just rips right off. Christmas is coming. Christmas is here. What did they get me? Oh, my favorite. Half-used box of LED lights from the dollar store. I really thank you for them. Well, give me a Christmas gift by subscribing, liking this video, share it if you will, comment because I love seeing your comments and replying, and see you in the next video. Bye!